Mobility access modifications, shower curtain and tracks.
So shower curtain tracks are customizable. They also come in standard sizes. And then even the shower curtains, we have many different sizes to suit all kinds of showers. The shower curtains are heavy fabric, so they're 200 grams per square meter, quite heavy weighted, because so that the hot water, what it does, it blows into the shower. If it's thin, it blows away. So this keeps it in place. And it also stops water from spewing outside, like spooling outside. And with the shower curtain tracks, the main purpose is that what it does is it allows for a carer to drive someone in. They're in a wheelchair and then they have enough circulation space to shower the person. So that's a ceiling support rod for additional support. So the shower track doesn't move around too much because, as you can see, it's got support in the two corners. And then this is extra support for the middle. These are also customizable. So with these, you can cut, these are aluminum, the material is aluminum. So you can cut on site, you can cut and alter on site. Unlike stainless steel, which is really hard to cut on site, so you can use a simple hacksaw to cut it. And it comes with all the fixings and everything included for sturdy support. And it's very strong, it's durable material, it's long lasting. So you can have it either as a straight track, or the second configuration would be an L track, as you see here. And then lastly, you can also have it as a U-shaped track. The curtains are designed to fit with the shower curtain track hooks. They come with eyelets, and you just simply slide it into the hooks, and that way you've completed your shower curtain track and curtain set. These are heavy fabric, so they're heavy weighted. They're 200 grams per square meter, and it comes in only one color, that's white. And there are many different sizes, 11 in total altogether. And at the bottom of the shower curtain, you'll see that there's weighted hem, lead hem, that allows for the shower curtain not to move too much when you're bathing, so it just stays in place. It keeps it in place intact. You get your track itself, the size that you've purchased to suit your shower. You get your fixings and brackets, you get the ceiling support rod, and then you get the hooks for the shower curtain. So it's normally installed with a stepless shower because having shower screens, anything that's solid, can get in the way of a carer aiding a person to take a shower. So without it, and having the shower curtain tracks installed, and then having your shower curtains, the carer has more room for circulation space for maneuvering and then assisting the best way they can.
For more information, go to mobilityacces.com.au.